theatre season is starting at the Badhuistheater in Amsterdam. We have some tremendously exciting workshops and festivals coming. We also have a special offer for students on the campus, because the Badhuistheater is on the campus of the HVA and the UvA, and also of the FU. Free tickets in September, October, if you sign in for our newsletter. Also, we have a free festival of theatre. The Crossover Festival is coming from the 4th to the 13th of October. And we have workshops in that as well, and performances from groups all over Europe. In September, we also have a tremendous workshop from Colin Hurley. On the 19th and the 20th of September, he's bringing his solo King Lear performance. And on the Sunday afternoon, at 3 o'clock, he's doing a special workshop with performance techniques for young actors. This Globe actor is really worth listening to. And of course, it will be sold out, so get yourself logged in. In the second part of October, we have the Funny Amsterdam Festival, which is from the 14th to the 18th of October, led by Simon Lukash from Boom Chicago. And this is going to have some tremendous international comedy theatre companies coming. Now, look, the best thing is just to log in for our newsletter and keep your eyes on our website, which is badhuistheater.nl. Ciao.